everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. Well, went and rented a Bobcat T590. That's this. It's supposed to come with a bucket on the front and a rototiller attachment that I could change out. They forgot the bucket, so I got the rototiller. And I forgot to turn this on when I first started doing this. So I've been out here for a couple hours already rototilling with this. What I got done so far today would have taken me 2 weeks of a walk behind rototiller to do. So let me set it up here and we will get a few shots of it. Okay, so I got all the rotovating done I think that I need to do. Well, I like to be able to do that out there, but before I can do that out there, I need to get the two bottom plow over here and just break it up really good and then just use the rotavator to turn into fines. What I did was I rotavated from, or rototilled, whatever you want to call it, from here over to the last line of trees there, over there. And then I did another section in the old orchard, and let's go over and take a look at that. All right, so over here in the orchard, I did all this up over to here, except for an area in the middle there for a walkway. I still kind of spun on it there a little bit, but yeah, I found out for one thing that in a tight area like this, it gets kind of hard to do it because I'm having to go this way, that way, and turn around and go on top of where I went, and so I wind up leaving donuts like this as I turn around to get out of there. Would have worked much better if I'd had a rototiller on the Kioti. Then I could have backed in and just pulled out and seen where I was going. Problem with the Bobcat is to leave no trace, you got to back up, and you can't see what's behind you. There's no visibility in that thing looking backwards, and not much looking to the side at all. So I got that all done, and I knocked down some of the stuff out in front here. Let's take a quick look at it. Yeah, so I knocked some down out here, rototilled this a little bit, knocked down some of the big weeds there. Did the same thing over there. So, and I'm still waiting for them to deliver the bucket, which it's now after closing time. They still haven't delivered it, so I got to call them in the morning and say, hey, where's the bucket? Alrighty, we'll pick this up tomorrow. Alright, so I finished using the rotavator, and as you can see here where I filmed the last one, see my footprints here where I step out here? Look at that. That's how good it is. It's been rotavated. So and then I went and did this morning before they picked it up. I did that area out there for my daughter. Got it rotavated a bit. So now they finally got the bucket here at 9 o'clock this morning, and so I got the bucket on it. And I'm going to get some, move all that dirt from over there, fill this here all in, make it a nice level pad so I can move the cargo containers over here. And then I got a bunch of other dirt to move down at the other end. So let's get at it. Time for a little high speed. Okay, before we actually start the high speed, as I'm moving out here with Bobcat, this is actually how fast it travels at regular speed. It moves a lot faster than the Kioti or any of the rubber tired tractor does out here. All right, so that trip there was at normal speed. Now let's get to the high speed. Alright, it's a bit crowded down in here to put the tripod, but that's where I had the tripod set up. So I'm going to set it out here now and give you a more smooth view of what's going on. Alright, so I've been kind of clocking on my watch here the amount of time I've been recording running the Bobcat here, and I'm going to have to split it into 2 videos. So that's it for the first part 1 here, and I'll be splitting out part 2 probably tomorrow or the next day. If you have not had a chance to subscribe to the channel, click the little red button down below there, then click on the bell to receive notifications. All that means is that you'll receive an email when I post a new video. That's it, no other times. Alrighty, so in the meantime, make sure you're planting a garden, that you're getting prepared. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video, okay? Alrighty, bye.